Alright, my latest Goodwill find during the 40% off sale. Not much information online. I'm guessing 50s, 60s era. Almost, I think everything's there other than so the 10X, the eyepieces, and the other eyepiece was a lot more. I think it's a nickel corrosion. The blue green is cleaned, I think, most everything off, and oiled with a baby love oil. Um, what was I going to focus? Let's see, here we go. So we have, I'm not sure exactly, I doubt these are infinity. I don't know what type lenses these are, so what'll interchange. I'll have to look around, see if I can find. Oh, they get those documented. Here we go. 40, 10, 100, and that one is a 4. Yeah, that one's a 4. So everything seems to be working. I'm not certain. I think it'll focus. There we go. This is okay, but does that move also? If it does, it's not moving. Mirror needs to be cleaned. The only thing that wasn't moving was this axis. I guess is I consider the y-axis or the x-axis. So I disassembled. The gears are looking okay. It's just this needs to soak, or maybe I'll get a wood clamp on these ends or something. Move back and forth, try to get that loose. Otherwise, $9.99. I probably should have $6. So I mean, I can't. $6 figure for the parts alone be worth the investment. So this is my first binocular microscope versus a stereo microscope, and yeah, just need to get a eyepiece mainly, and then get that loose, and I think cleaned up a little more. Be good to go. All right, be safe, stay healthy. Until next time, learn something new and save, save, save. Bye for now.